Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace headlight bulb on Mercedes CLK, guys. If you need to replace one of those, we'll show you how to do it now. This one is a 2000 model, I believe. And you don't need to disassemble anything, but in our case we removed the air filter box so we can shoot the video better and show you exactly what you need to do. Otherwise it's impossible to get the camera there. So those are the headlight bulbs now, guys. You have turn signal bulbs, low beams right here, and high beams should be there. So what you do on those, usually twist those counterclockwise like that, okay, and you're going to open the lid. Now you need to disconnect, okay, make sure that you pull the rubber seal as well. Okay, now you need to pull the wires out like that, just pull them. Then you need to squish those metal pieces, okay, towards each other, pull it out, guys, and you're ready to go ahead and pull the bulb out. Okay, like that, and never touch the new bulb with your fingers because you're going to burn it, guys. So this is it right there, high beams. You can see, not very complicated deal to replace it. So whenever you're ready to install it, okay, let me get the camera in good angle here. You just need to make sure you get it like it's supposed to. Okay, it goes only one way. Then you need to get the spring right here, squish towards each other, install it like that, and you need to push the wire in. Okay, like that. Last step is to make sure that the cable is in, all the way in. Ours one is trying to get out, and we just go ahead and install the lid. Now this side, pretty much identical procedure. You remove it right here, guys, and the same way you can see how the bulb is. You need to pull the wires first, okay, then squish those things towards each other, pull the bulb out. Okay, and whoever installed that one, they didn't get it right last time because it needs to go this way up. You can see this thing right here. It needs to go right here. There is a special place for it. Okay, and this is ready to go now. So this is it, guys, not very complicated procedure. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.